Hello and welcome to cryptoTV. I am your news host Parvati Nirman and let's go through the world of crypto with today's English news bulletin. Bessemer plans to invest $250 million in Web3 projects, launches DAO. Hedera's HBAR Foundation launches $100 million Sustainable Impact Fund. Fintech company Lunar raises $77 million, launches cryptotrading platform. FBI director says Russia overestimates its ability to bypass sanctions using crypto. Polygon co-founder says crypto brain drain is crazy in India. Bitcoin fluctuates nearly $39,000 on inflation, war impact fear. OKcoin and Stacks pledge $165 million to support Bitcoin-related projects. PayPal partner Paxos approved for blockchain payments in Singapore. Venture capital firm Bessemer Venture Partners has committed $250 million in capital from existing funds to invest in Web3 projects across consumer decentralized finance, infrastructure, and other enabling technologies. Bessemer is a leading investor in the consumer, enterprise, and healthcare industries. The firm's list of tech investment includes Shopify, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. The Bessemer commitment comes as an increasing number of well-established venture capital firms have been entering the crypto space, such as Sequoia Capital and Bain Capital. The firm also has launched Bessemer DAO, a Web3 community for founders, creators, and operators meant to connect members of the crypto community for idea sharing, business development, and tokenomics. The HBAR Foundation, which drives the development of the Hedera network by providing grants and resources to developers, launched a $100 million fund for sustainable ventures on Thursday. The Sustainable Impact Fund aims to invest in Hedera-based solutions that involve carbon emissions, offsets, and removals, as well as other nature-based projects. DOVU, a Hedera-powered trust layer for carbon offset integrity, will be the first project to receive a grant from the fund. The funding amount was not disclosed. HBAR was trading at around 20 cents and has a market cap of just over $4 billion. Nordic-based financial technology firm Lunar said it raises $77 million in its latest financing round, valuing the company at $2 billion. Neobank Lunar also announced they will launch a cryptocurrency trading platform and start a blockchain arm. With the latest round of funding, the company has so far raised $310 million. The latest round of investment was led by prominent financial backers such as Heartland, Kinnevik, Tencent, and IDC Ventures. Ken Clausen, founder and CEO, experts the new initiative will help customers to use multiple platforms for their needs. Initially, Lunar users will be able to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and Cardano tokens. Founded in 2015, Lunar offers its services to Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. It received a European banking license in 2019 and currently has over 500,000 customers. Christopher Wray, the director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, said that the fiat was a more likely avenue for Russia to explore in circumventing sanctions, given the United States' ability to block efforts using crypto. Responding to a question by New Mexico Senator Martin Heinrich in a Thursday hearing of Senate Select Committee on Intelligence, Director Wray said that the Russians' ability to circumvent the sanctions with cryptocurrency is probably highly overestimated, as there are vulnerabilities in using crypto to get around sanctions. Director of National Intelligence Avril Haines added that Russian President Vladimir Putin had likely anticipated sanctions from his actions against Ukraine and built up a reserve fund to lessen the economic impact. However, she said that the US Treasury Department and other foreign governments acting to sanction Russia had made it difficult to access the funds. India's wavering stance on digital assets is causing thousands of developers, investors, and entrepreneurs to leave for places with more friendly regulation. Sandeep Nailwal, co-founder of Polygon, among the biggest layer 2 protocol for the Ethereum blockchain system, said in an interview to a publication, India has failed to frame a regulation on cryptocurrencies or digital assets since the Supreme Court in 2020 overturned a central bank ban on digital tokens. The government, however, this year decided to slap a steep 30% tax on crypto transactions. Nailwal, who co-founded Polygon in 2017 and relocated to Dubai 2 years ago, said he wants to live in India and promote the Web3 ecosystem, but regulatory uncertainty poses challenges and it didn't make sense to risk the team or the project. Nailwal said India has the potential to be a crypto powerhouse. Bitcoin fluctuated nearly $39,000 Friday on fears of stagflation amid supply chain shocks from the fallout of ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, and as investors remain circumspect over Federal Reserve's likely rate hikes. US consumer inflation accelerated 7.9% in February, a 4-decade high, amid surging oil prices and supply disruptions in Europe. Investors remain concerned that the US inflation is poised to accelerate further in the months ahead of Russia's war against Ukraine drives up the cost of crude oil and other commodities. The trend of rising inflation has often caused Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to fall amid fears of aggressive rate action from the Federal Reserve. Economics expect the Federal Reserve to implement as many as 6 rate hikes through the year. Meanwhile, data showed that investors liquidated over $200 million worth of long positions, with a majority of long position liquidations linked to Bitcoin. Bitcoin was at $38,031, down nearly 7% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was near $2,500, over 5% in the same time period. Cryptocurrency exchange OKcoin announced that it is teaming up with the Stacks Accelerator and Stacks Foundation to launch Bitcoin Odyssey, a grant program with $165 million in funding. The venture capital-backed project aims to propel Bitcoin past Ethereum as the go-to blockchain for decentralized applications. The participating firms, which include Digital Currency Group, GSR, and White Star Capital, among others, will allocate capital and resources to projects being built on Stacks, an open-source network for Bitcoin-based smart contracts, as well as the Bitcoin blockchain itself. The Bitcoin Odyssey will consider Bitcoin and Stack-focused projects with solutions across Web3, including the metaverse, play-to-earn blockchain-based gaming, DeFi, NFTs, and DAOs. Paxos, a New York-based cryptocurrency trading and custody platform, has received a license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore (MAS), making the firm the first crypto player to get regulatory approval in both New York and Singapore. Paxos confirmed that its new license allows it to offer Paxos crypto brokerage, stablecoin, and custody services in Singapore, expanding its services to Singapore residents and any clients that wish to expand to Singapore. Paxos also provides the brokerage service for PayPal's cryptocurrency offering. This new development is a reversal of Singapore's policy after prohibiting Binance and other crypto exchanges' operations in the past. Paxos will serve as a bridge for investors in Singapore to operate with the Binance Dollar BUSD, the third largest stablecoin with a balance of $18 billion. I'm your news host Parvati Nirvan, signing off for now. See you tomorrow same time with English News Bulletin. Have a wonderful day today.